The Galaxy Note 10 is a huge letdown. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jonathan with Retethered, and it's been about a week since the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus was officially announced and unveiled. So let's talk about it. In my opinion, the Galaxy Note 10 and Samsung's Unpacked event was a bit of a letdown. This was a typical smartphone event announcement. Samsung spent most of their time talking about all the new features the Samsung Galaxy 10 had. For example, the new camera enhancements and new camera features. And some of them were pretty cool. Mostly the new video editing features the Samsung Note 10 has. But to be honest, most of everything that was announced was very gimmicky. For example, the all-new S Pen motion controls, which allow you to control the camera, switch settings without having to touch the phone, I guess can be a little useful, but would you ever use it? Come on, think about it. Or the new AR features with the camera, where you can draw on the screen and they show it in AR. It looked cool, don't get me wrong. But how many times would you actually use it? The new color options are cool as well, including the new Aura Glow. It looks different and interesting than any other color option I've seen in a while. But is that enough to really justify purchasing or upgrading this phone? Samsung did do something a little different this year. They announced two phones, or two models of the Galaxy Note 10. They have the regular Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which by the way is much more superior to the Galaxy Note 10, and we'll talk about that a little later. The regular Galaxy Note 10 starts at $950, while the Galaxy Note 10 Plus starts at $1,100. So there is a $150 difference. They both have an S Pen and they both have the same Snapdragon 855 processor, but here are the differences. The first one is the display. The regular Galaxy Note 10 has a 6.3-inch 1080p display, while the Note 10 Plus has a 6.8-inch 1440p display. So there's not only a size difference, but there's also a resolution difference. The second one is memory. The regular Note 10 has 8GB of RAM, and the Note 10 Plus has 12GB of RAM. The regular Note 10 has 256GB of storage, and the Note 10 Plus also has 256GB, but you have the option of upgrading to 512GB. But the biggest difference is the Note 10 Plus is the only Note 10 with micro SD card expansion, which is kind of a letdown. The regular Note 10 has a 3500 mAh battery, while the Note 10 Plus has a 4300 mAh battery. The Note 10 also has a triple camera sensor out back, and the Note 10 Plus also has the same three cameras, but it adds a depth vision camera as well. So it's obvious, the Note 10 Plus is much better. It's not just a bigger phone with a bigger display, it has a few features thrown into it as well, which make it an all-around better phone. It seems like we got a upgrade from the Galaxy Note 9 in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and they decided to give a cheaper version of the Note by giving us the regular Note 10. It's like a Note 10e. Oh, and by the way, both phones, they lost a headphone jack. All these new models that are coming out for Samsung's flagships just makes everything so confusing. There's now 5 different models of Samsung flagships. I think Samsung just needs to calm down with all these different models. I get that it's great to have different options for different people, but it's just much more confusing. And it's not like you're just saying, oh, I'm going to get a smaller version of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 by getting the regular one. You're missing a lot of really cool features which made previous Galaxy Note phones really compelling. For example, the micro SD card slot. Why they couldn't insert that in the regular Note 10? I don't know. I guess they were trying to save money. But it's just really kind of confusing because you don't really know what features are missing from the regular Galaxy Note 10. So the question is, should you buy it? And the answer is no, especially if you're coming from the Samsung Galaxy S10 line. And I can make a case that if you have a Galaxy Note 9, you may not want to upgrade either. The Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, they don't seem like much of an upgrade, especially from the Galaxy S10. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful looking phone. I love the design. The Galaxy Note 10 is definitely going to be a great phone, and it's probably going to be the best or one of the best phones released in 2019. But it's just not enough of an upgrade from previous flagships. If you own a Galaxy S10, definitely don't upgrade to the Galaxy Note 10. It's not much of a difference. If you own a Galaxy Note 9, even then, there's not much of a difference, or there's not enough new compelling features to make you want to upgrade to the Galaxy Note 10. Obviously, the Galaxy Note 10 isn't released yet, so that may change when we actually get our hands on the phone and see what cool features or how cool the features really are. But until then, just looking at what was announced with Samsung, it's not much of an upgrade from previous flagships from Samsung. What do you think of the Galaxy Note 10? Are you planning on buying one? Are you planning on upgrading to the Galaxy Note 10? Let me know with a comment down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos, and hit that notification bell icon so we can let you know when our new videos come out. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.